Hello there, welcome to the Gist on Plug TV Live. On the Gist today, we bring an interesting story as actress Toyin buys herself a new car. A day after cautioning Ruggedman on attributing the success of actresses to their sexual attraction. Let's check out details. Popular actress Toyin on Monday cautioned rapper Ruggedman on the claims that women in Nollywood seem more successful than the male counterparts only because of their sexual attraction. While cautioning Ruggedman, Toyin also hinted about the fact that she was about to get herself a new car. Barely few hours after cautioning Ruggedman, actress Nkechi Sunday Blessing took to Instagram to reveal that Toyin had bought a new car. She wrote, "World best oh, this one scatter everywhere oh. Big congratulations to my own woman, I mean one after my heart, Toyin Abraham. Hard work they say pays." What? While the congratulatory messages are pouring in for Toyin Abraham, a lot of people have attested to the fact that Toyin Abraham was indeed right when she said many women in Nollywood were indeed working hard for their money, as against the opinion that so many of them were thriving on their sexual attraction. Ruggedman in a tweet wrote, "My male actors in Nollywood, what's going on? It's just the females that are buying cars and building houses left and right. I wanted to come into Nollywood, but at this rate, I am not coming again." Well, Toyin Abraham was among the actresses who replied to Ruggedman's claim, insinuating that Nollywood actresses were being shady with the acquisition of cars and land. Toyin Abraham wrote on her social media, "I saw the social media post made by the respected rapper Ruggedman about women making more money and doing better than men. I read between the lines and saw what Ruggedman implied. It is a little bit sad that many people on social media leached on it with many derogatory comments about women, especially those of us in Nollywood. It is important that I put it out there that many women make money and make good money legitimately. I know actresses who charge 2 million, 3 million and 5 million in this Nollywood. I get paid in millions of naira for gigs. As a matter of fact, I just paid for a very good car worth millions of naira. And at the same time, I know a lot of men in Nollywood who are doing extraordinarily well and paid in millions. The fact that most of these men choose not to make noise on social media do not in any way mean that they are second-class citizens in the industry. We need to stop attributing every woman's success to a sexual prowess with men. Women deserve the success they have as much as men without attributing it to their sexuality. Nollywood women like Bimbo Ademoye, Nancy Sime, Kehinde Bankole, Inidima Okoje, Sharon Oja, Bisola Ayuola are getting paid in millions. Even script writers that are not in limelight are getting paid in millions. It is disparaging to put the successes of these women within the box of their sexuality. A lot of women are doing great things legitimately. I am one of them, and so also are many other women in other industries, not just the entertainment industry. A woman is more than the sum total of her sexuality." Toyin Abraham at JME. Anyway guys, after knocking Ruggedman on the head in a place that hurts so bad, Toyin Abraham has now taken delivery of a new car, and so many people are quite excited for her. What do you think? Make sure you drop your congratulatory messages for World Best in the comment section below. Remember to like and subscribe to Plug TV Live before you go.